Hello there, my name is Paulette Burnside, and I want to welcome you to our website, chapterwebsites.pauletteburnside.net. And if you landed on this page, you see a beautiful picture of my husband and myself. And so you are definitely in the right place. If you are a member of the Blue and White family, I know that for some time you have probably been looking for a reliable, affordable, easy to use website solution. And so if that is the case, you definitely have landed in the right place, because I know a lot of you probably had websites in the past and they were too difficult to upkeep, or maybe you can't find the person that did your website. Well, guess what? You are in the right place, because what we offer is a full-blown turnkey solution for the Blue and White family. All right. And don't worry, because you're probably thinking, how much is this? It's going to cost me a lot of money. Can our chapter actually afford it? Yes, it does not matter what size your chapter is. You can have 10 members on up to a few hundred members, and your chapter will be able to afford our turnkey solution. Because noting that this turnkey solution was customized just for the Blue and White family. And so as we go through this demonstration, know that anything that you see on the website, you can customize to your chapter specifications. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. So as you can see here, I'm going to backtrack. This is where you landed. This is chapterwebsites.pauletteburnside.net, and here's the picture I was talking about. And before we get started, what I'd like for you to do is go ahead and fill out the contact us form right here at the bottom of this page. That way we'll have your information and we can talk to you more about customizing your solution. So we also want to ask that you like our pages on Facebook at Burnside Pro Services and at I Am Paulette Burnside on Facebook. Mr. Burnside is a member of Phi Beta Sigma Fraternity Incorporated, and I am a member of Zeta Phi Beta Sorority Incorporated. So let's head on over to one of the websites so you can take a quick tour. Isn't this website absolutely beautiful? Don't these sisters look finer than fine? They are first class here on their website. And you will notice that when you scroll down, you will see the 4 pillars of service for Zeta Phi Beta Sorority, and a chapter message right here with a picture of the chapter president, and then the number of community service hours that this chapter has done. You will also see here a link for individuals who want more information about membership. They can click right here on click to learn for graduate membership, or maybe you are an individual that's been inactive for some time and you want to reconnect with the chapter. You can click right here for reclamation, or even maybe you're someone who did not graduate from college, or you have some youth that you would like to be mentored by Zeta Phi Beta Sorority Incorporated. They can go right here and click on this button. Now I'm going to go ahead and take you over to the membership page as well, so you can get a good idea of what it looks like. So once you land on the membership page, you will notice that there is a link here for graduate membership reclamation with a picture, and also adult and youth auxiliaries. You can scroll down to the bottom of the page. Your prospect can fill out this form, select which program they are interested in, and then leave a quick message and click submit. Now, once they click submit, the great thing is that your first vice president, or the individual that's in charge of membership, or perhaps your membership committee, will get an email that someone is interested in membership with your chapter. In this email, you're going to get all of the information that you see right here on this form. Noting that this form can be customized, it can be moved around anywhere on the page that you'd like for it to be. Now, what we found in the past is that a lot of chapters are using third-party solutions like Eventbrite to collect money, And typically when you use this solution, you do not get your money until the event date has actually passed. Well, what we offer here is an integrated solution where you can take payments on your website for the different events that you have. Now, what does this mean for your chapter? This means that you will be able to take payments real time and get your monies real time deposited directly into your bank account. And so what that means is that we integrate any payment portals with your website. So it does not matter which payment portal you're using, if you're wearing Square, if you're using Square, if you're using Cash App, if you're using Stripe. There's so many out there that we can integrate with your chapter website. We can even integrate a Facebook feed with your website. One of the things that you're going to find really helpful when customizing your website is that you will be able to take donations for your chapter scholarship fund, as well as maybe raise money for a capital campaign, or maybe you have someone that has a family member that's going through hard times and the chapter wants to take up monies for that particular family. You can do all of that from your website. You can add any events that you'd like to add to your website. You can also have a shopping cart on your website if you want to sell goods and apparel. So we can also customize your website to have that as well. But I'm not going to give you everything up front, because what I want you to do is I want you to definitely go on over to our chapter websites, pauletteburnside.net, fill out the form, and Mr. Burnside and myself will be contacting you so you can get your promotional website today. Bye for now.